What's one restaurant bill charge people complained about that is actually fair?
The
only-
discussion of the day.
I wonder what that is.
I've removed it.
Sorry, guys.
You mean B?
I think Karan is still charging that.
Oh my god. Can you please justify why?
I don't know why.
Not for me, for the industry. For the industry,
Say it,
you should
answer it.
justify.
I think service charge.
And why? What do you think?
I think that's pretty important for the team that works behind it, and people don't understand that because there's no tip culture we were talking about in India so much, and service charge is the only way we can, have this going on. But again, there's a gray area.
See, I feel one of the reasons because it's just the few of us and we know how we operate. But what I feel is people in general think that service charge restaurants ले लेते होंगे और देते नहीं होंगे. So maybe as restaurateurs, how do we make it transparent so that I think we all should come together and talk about it, right? That there should be some transparency to it.
This is more of a national issue. At some level, it's not a Pune issue or a our restaurant issue. It's more of a
What
national.
people don't understand is that the things that we actually take care of, in their experiences, the soft touches from getting a valid ticket to getting a mop floor, or the floor mopped or breaking a glass. All these are costs, right? And the boys do it without
Yeah.
a charge, and that's a service charge, right?
I think the biggest big problem in our country is that people feel अच्छा इसका restaurant है तो ये करोड़पति है.
Correct.
ये बहुत पैसे कमा रहा है.
Nobody understands that we also 15% margin.
Also, it's a very Indian thing. They think service is free because they don't see anything tangible. That's why service in this country, because of the population, is free.
I agree. But yeah, there's one thing for sure. I mean, there's so much that goes behind in making one dish or serving you literally a cold coffee. There's so many people involved. But I think once people realize that, that's what is outside. Now they realize the effort that people put. And that's why that tip culture is there. Somewhere.
I think we'll stop complaining about service charge if I understand what the guests feel कि demand कैसे कर रहे हो. But if the tipping culture from their side is in some way generous, then we will not put service charge. So the onus is back on them. You're complaining, cool. We'll remove it. Then tip well.
But like now people in
somewhere.
US are
Again, but
complaining
in
for
India,
20% culture that they have in the US.
Yeah, but I'll give you an example of what happened to me in the US. You pay a bill, and then the machine says
Tip.
15, 20, 25, 30.
Percent.
And
They're
that's the
suggesting
culture.
15.
This is the culture. 15% minimum.
If you don't tip them, they follow you out.
No, and
Absolutely.
If you
Exactly
don't
what's
tip
happened.
them, if you don't
Follow
tip
you
them,
out.
they look down upon you.
Yeah.
And that's the culture that they build. We don't do that. Right?
And we don't need to do that.
We don't need to do
because
that.
that's like saying I'll stop giving you hospitality
If you don't
the
not
moment
all.
you stop.
Not all.
So then we don't want to do that because it comes from within that till the guest is in their car, we're going to be nice to them.
See, tip culture in India is अगर आपका 1980 रुपए का बिल है तो 20 रुपए बचे तो वो रख ले. That's the tip culture.
Change.
I think it's changing.
Though we also,
Very few people.
I think it's changing. I think when you and I
Very few people tip.
are of the opinion that when we go to restaurants, we drop a tip. I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people like that.
Absolutely.
And people do it, yeah. In today's day and age, at least the newer crowd, the Gen Z,
They do, yeah.
They understand.
no,
this
and
culture,
people
and they
think
understand
people
it.
think
Is what I see
restaurateurs
according to
make a lot of money.
That's
Make
true.
a lot of money. They think they're overcharging. This is the thing that isn't spread. And we ask the client, we ask the customer.
People
You have
think
a
people
problem
open
with the
restaurants when they earn so much money. That's why they open restaurants. That's the perception.
They don't know, yeah.
people think okay, beer 125 का है,
they look at the-
बेच रहे हो 450 का, 3x कमाते हैं. That's a dumb math people do. Like 3x is the margin.
Yeah.
That's 300%.
Yeah.
We are under 20, so
Yeah.
like the gap is massive.
Yeah.